Hello, everyone. I think I've got a fun little project for you today. My wife bought these little kitchen shelf pulls at Costco. I think she got them on sale, uh, but I don't actually know how much she paid for them. Uh, but I'm sure she got a good price. And, if you catch these things on sale, it's not really that expensive, and it really makes a big difference in your kitchen. I tell you, if you got a lot of pots and pans under there, I think it's a pain to reach in there at my age to get stuff in and out. So I'm just going to get this opened up and let you have a look at it, and then I'll just go through the install. Uh, to put this in, it's really just four screws, so it's a real straightforward sort of a thing that I think, definitely in the do-it-yourself window or ballpark or something. Anyway, so you can see these are chrome, and the slides have bearings. So it's rated at 55 pounds, and you'll see later. As I pull these things in and out, they slide pretty easily. So I think I think they're going to be just fine. These do come in different widths, so you need to be aware before you buy them how wide your cabinet door is. Really be careful about that. You get one that doesn't fit or is too small or something. But measure the opening on your cabinets, and you should be fine. It's not a lot of instructions here. There's four screws included. Nothing special about those. Just regular wood screws, self-tapping wood screws, and a little uh, desiccant package. Those are the brackets that go that you just turn those down, and then the little wood screws will go through those pre-drilled holes into the bottom of the cabinet. So I guess one thing is when you do install them, you do need to take a little care to make sure you get them straight so that the door, when it pulls out, doesn't hit the cabinet door, right? You just want them to come straight out. And you can see here I'm going to demonstrate the slide. It looks pretty good. The basket slides completely out, so you'll be able to have access. In this model, it slides all the way out, so you'll be able to have access to things all the way in the back. Well, so anyway, I think that's about it. Oh, there's those little black bumpers go in the front, so you know, your they'll when if your cabinet door hits them, it won't scratch it up too badly, hopefully. Well, anyway, let's go put it in, see how it looks. So I've already got the cabinet cleaned out, and got a little light back in there so you'll be able to see what's going on. And the first thing, just make sure it fits in there all right. Um, I probably could have got just a little bit wider one, but this will be fine. Now that tape is so I can find the center of the opening. And I'm going to just measure across here, and make a little mark on the tape. Don't mark the wood, put some tape down, right? So just, just it, so that's the center line I'm marking there. And of course you want to check it and make sure that it's in the middle. And with this model of door, you can see there's a chrome piece. So you just kind of scooch it around until it lines up. And I think, for this kind of thing, a visual alignment is just fine. You get it out to where your doors will shut without hitting it, of course, but close to the edge. Now I'm going to just speed up through here, and then just four little screws. Now these on the outside I was able to put in just, it's just pretty straightforward. Just took a regular hand Phillips screwdriver and just put them in there. The back weren't quite so easy. I actually got my little power drill and did a starter hole, so it's a little easier to get them started because I just didn't have the strength to reach back in there and even with a self-tapping screw. And of course I'm speeding through here. It is a bit of a reach back in there to these deep cabinets. But anyway, once you get just take your time with it. probably a one-handed thing, but get the screws in, and there you go. And now just take the tape off, and let's do a little product demo so you can see how it works. Well, that's it, guys. I hope you find this helpful. Please like and subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to build that viewership up. Uh, Thank you for taking time to watch my little videos. I do enjoy putting them up. Take care, everyone.